Let's discuss the concept of prime number and composite number here. So here we'll discuss about prime number and composite number. So firstly, I need to know what is a prime number. So a prime number is a number which is not divisible by any number except itself or I should say and unity, that means 1. Let's take an example. Say the number 3. This number 3 is not divisible by any other number. It can be divided either by the number itself, that means 3 divided by 3 I get 1, or I can do 3 divided by 1, that means 3. So then 3 is called a prime number, right? Let's take another number. Suppose 17. 17 also, you can see that we can't divide it with any other number. By 2 it is not divisible, by 3 it is not divisible, and again if it is not divisible by 2, it won't be divisible by any other even number also. And also if it is not divisible by 3, it is not going to be divisible by any other odd numbers. So what we can see here, this number 17 also, I can either divide by 17 itself, that means 17 divided by 17 I can do to get 1, or I can do 17 divided by 1 and I get answer 17. So these numbers 3, 17, these numbers which are not divisible by any other number except itself and unity are called prime numbers. So if you are given a question to write write all the prime numbers, write all prime numbers between 1 to 20. How will you get that? See, if I start from 1, you can see 1 is yes, 1 is also a prime number, right? Because 1 can be divisible by 1, the number itself, and no other number. Next is 2. 2 is also a prime number because 2 can only be divisible by 2 or 1. Next comes 3. Next, 4 is not a prime number because 4 can be divided by 2. So then I have 5. Yes, it is a prime number because it can only be divided by, it is only divisible by 5 and 1. 6 is not. 7 is again a prime number. 8 is not. 9 is not. 10 is not. 11 is again a prime number. 12 is not. 13 is again a prime number. 14 is not. 15 is not. 16 is not. 17, yes, 17 is again a prime number. Again 18 is not a prime number, but 19 is a prime number. And then 20 is again divisible by other numbers, so 20 is not. So in between 1 to 20 I have these numbers which are prime numbers. I hope it's clear. Now next I move on to describing composite numbers. What are those? what are composite numbers? Now composite numbers, or I should say a composite number, is a number which has factors each greater than 1. Each greater than 1. What does this mean? Suppose I take a number, let me take an example only, say 4. Now 4 is a number and it has factors like, say 4 is what? 2 into 2. So 2 is a factor of 4. So 2 is a factor which is greater than 1. Suppose next I take another example. 5 is a prime number. Let me take 6. 6 is what? 2 into 3. That means 2 and 3 are factors of 6 and each are greater than 1. So these kind of numbers which has factors which is greater than 1 are called composite numbers. So basically you can tell all the numbers which are not prime numbers are composite numbers.